every minute with the fever dreams. I push a mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power.
Welcome to the video, guys. In today's video I am gonna tell you that how can you fix your USB when its size become 3 to 4 MB in total capacity from 16 to 30 GB. So watch the video till the end. First of all, I will plug in the USB. Now as you guys can see that the total size of the USB is 3.90 MB, but in actual it is a 32 GB size USB. If we try to format it, like as you can see I am doing it, it says that the formatting is successful and complete, but nothing happened. So go in the start menu and search here disk part. Now just simply click on this first option appears in the front of you. This will open a command prompt type window in the front of you. Now just simply type in here list disk. These are all the drives and storage devices connected to my PC. There are 2 hard drives and the third one, the disk 2, is the USB, which size is 29 GB. So we have to select this. So we type select disk 2 and you can see that it says disk 2 is selected. Now we will type here CLEAN, clean, and you can see it says it is successful. Now look, the USB is formatted. It is in NTFCs. We have to format it. We will click here create primary partition. Create partition primary. It says successful. Now all we need to do is to format the USB again and it will be fixed. Look, we will click on format disk. Simply just click on start, OK, and it will start formatting the USB. And done. You can see that the USB has been formatted and it has been also openable, and look at the size, it's normal again. Congratulations, the USB has been fixed. So if you like the video and find it helpful, then kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. And don't forget to follow us on our other social media accounts and the website. All the links will be in the description and also available in the channel.